and welcome to another episode of Outdoor Defense. This week I want to talk to you about one strike. And what I mean by that is a lot of what we see in the media and a lot of misinformation we see on social media about how long a self-defense encounter usually lasts. It makes it seem like it's a combat, you know, like it's two people trading blows and it's more of a like a traditional fight like you would see, like a street fight. But when you're defending your life, an assailant is not looking for a fight. Okay, they're looking to commit an attack as quickly and as stealthily as they can so they can get away, and they can get away with it. So they're not looking for a knockdown, drag-out fight, and that's not our intention in self-defense. We're not trying to trade blows with this person. We're not trying to drag this out. We want to strike hard, fast, and get this person out of commission so that we can get to safety as quickly as possible. So that means the reality of self-defense is that if you strike someone, it is usually going to be one strike, and the person that is attacking you is going to hightail it out of there.
Damn! You make those tights look hot!
Okay, that's inappropriate. Would you talk to your daughter like that?
Oh, come on, just do a twirl. Let me see
Oh,
what you
no,
got.
we're not doing that today.
Oh, come on!
No, I just turn around and walk away.
I'm not gonna grab unless you let me.
No, walk away.
Come on.
No!
Easy.
No! Back off!
Fuck! You broke my nose!
Of all the self-defense encounters that people who've taken one of our self-defense classes or one of my Girls Fight Back seminars has reported back has been, if the verbal strategies weren't enough to get the person to go away, all it took was one heel palm to the face and the person was like, okay, you know what, I'm out of here. So I want to empower you with that, okay? What I want to do is I want to empower you with information. I'm not here to try to scare you, all right? We know the world can be scary. We know that violence exists out there. To deny that fact is naive. We know that it's out there, but we don't have to walk around and live in fear. And the reality is that having our strong, confident body language and using our verbal skills, that is usually a huge deterrent. If someone is still persistent in coming after you, the majority of the time, a heel palm to someone's face, if that's what you get into first, or, you know, a knee strike, if that is the first thing that you can get in the scenario, that is usually enough to let the other person know, okay, you know what, this isn't easy, this isn't what I thought it would be, I'm out of here, all right? So I don't want you to think that every scenario would be like that, because we want to overtrain you with skills. You keep fighting until it's over. I don't want you to think that all you have to do is do one strike and then that's going to be it. You may have to do several strikes. You're going to fight until you can get to safety. But I also want you to know that in the reality of the situation statistically is that it will often only take one. So you're going to keep fighting, but it may only take that one strike to get you to safety. Right? So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.